Hindi naman po palaging relax din siguro.
Okay. Actually, meron din stress, meron din harass, diba? Si Sophia.
Ano po? Mixed emotion.
Mixed emotion. Magka-boyfriend ka na ba?
Wala po.
Gusto mo si Diego? Gusto mo siya maging boyfriend? Diretsahan na. Diretsahan na.
Sila naman.
Yeah.
May pantay ka na, may bakla. Yeah. How about you, Inigo?
It's gonna come when it comes.
It's coming. Ano, sumagot ka?
Oh,
Ano?
ano yung question?
Type mo ba siya? Type ka raw niya. Ikaw, is the feeling mutual?
We're talking, I mean, feeling is mutual.
Oh, relax muna, relax ka.
Relax.
Relax muna.
It's just like, yeah, relax.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Thanks, JN. Mukhang napasubo si Sophia doon sa sasagot niya. Tingnan mo, natahimik na. Pati si Inigo. Okay. Thanks, JN, for those beautiful questions. More questions from that side. Okay. Punta ako dyan, ha? Ay, hindi na answer. Ready na? Okay. Incidentally po, si Direct, alam na natin that Direct Antoinette is a protege ni Binibining Joyce Bernal, and so is Direct Irene Villamor. Here's a question from Tita Aster.
I'd like to direct this question to everyone, including Direct. Kasi looking at you, lahat kayo baguhan. Hindi ba kayo nape-pressure, especially na this is your first movie, Direct, and then all the cast, this is also, I think, your first movie. So, parang wala kay Julia, wala kami nakikita rin from support. So, can you carry the movie all by yourselves?
Siyempre po may pressure for me. Kasi po, it's my first. Kasi po yung huli ko po, nung bata po ako, with my dad po. I had a movie with my dad. Nung bata po. Tapos, katas ng Saudi po yung title. Tapos, now I'm starting again. Siyempre po may pressure kasi kinakare ko po yung name ng dad ko. So, yeah, there's pressure. But I try my best to not affect me.
Minsan po, lagi ko nararamdaman yung pressure kasi marami po akong kasama, syempre po magaganda, talented, and as long as mabibigay ko po yung best ko for this project, sa lahat ng nabibigay nila sa akin, lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko na kaya ko to, if may something in me na iba sa kanila na makikita rin ng mga tao, ibang tao.
Hindi naman na, there's a lot of pressure for sure. But personally, I believe in the storyline of the movie. It's very different from what's been shown, and you know what I mean. It's different. The story is very different. So.
Pressure po. For me, yes. I mean, I always think about that since yung dad ko po, like, he's one of the best actors known today, and I feel like there's always going to be pressure na I'm going to be compared with him. But instead of, like what I said earlier, instead of using that to push me down, I'm going to use it to motivate me to work hard and, you know, kind of be able to prove myself as well. But it takes time to be able to do that.
Si Direk.
Oo, pressure cooker. Pero bilang baguhan, tapos lahat kami parang
At tapos nagtiwala yung Spring Films na ibigay ito, gawing pelikula, tas nandito kami ngayon, tas dyan kayo, nakakatakot. Pero since binigay nila, sino ba kami para hindi maniwala kung naniniwala nga sila doon? Sana kayo rin. Kaya, yun.